Hey guys, how are we all doing? I hope everyone is alright and not too hot in this muggy weather. I am sweating a bit. Sorry, my face is a bit red. My lip is perspiring. I do apologise, but it is just so warm. Close. That's the term they use, isn't it? Close. Well, it's the beginning of the month, and you know what that means? It's time for another round of beauty boxes, and it's summer and it's exciting. So what have they got in store for us? Well, at least this is what Look Fantastic has in store for us. Look at this beautiful box. Blue skies. Makes you think of pools and blue skies on holiday and wonderful things. But more exciting is what's inside. And if you want to find out what is inside June's box, you know what you need to do. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know you enjoy these unboxing videos. Hit that subscribe button. Please do. I'd love it if I could see you in my Highdef family. Of course, you can ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload. And share this video everywhere, because everyone needs a bit of summer in their lives, don't they? All right, let's get into the video. So Look Fantastic is a monthly subscription box. It's £15 including postage and packaging. However, what's inside the box is always pretty good. They always have 6 items, so let's look inside. First we have our book, and this isn't just a little booklet that tells you what is inside the box, but it also has other things in here, like it'll have some makeup tips in here, talk about up and coming brands or makeup things, or like, oh, in next month's box we have this, Golden Goddess. Embrace your inner spirit. Keratis Reflection Chromatic Sulfate Free Shampoo. That's a mouthful. Well, I'm not excited about that, but I'm sure there'll be other people who will be. So it's kind of like a mini magazine. If you wanted more than a mini magazine, you also get this. This is this month's copy of Elle magazine. It's worth, what, £4.40? Yeah. So even on top of all your products, you get another £4.40 with this magazine. It's always a good read. Inside our box, we have a saying, individually we are one drop, together we are an ocean. And finally, we have the box. Look at that beautiful royal blue paper. Oh, look at that, I nearly lost it all again. But it looks like a nice packed box. Shall we just get involved? This is an exciting looking box. There's actually 7 items. It's good. So, discover this month's theme, Into the Blue. June is all about springing into the summer season with a focus on hydration, luminosity and products that leave you feeling all around rejuvenated. We also share with you some creative ways to recycle your beauty box and how to achieve the perfect beach waves. Plus, discover the incredible ranges from 2 of our favourite brands, Skimono and Rituals Cosmetics. So, dive in and enjoy the beauty box team. Okay, let's go. I don't know what to start with. Let's start with this. From Vita Liberata, and they do tanning products. Vita Liberata Advanced Organics, fabulous self-tanning gradual lotion with marula oil. It's advanogenic technology, whatever that's supposed to mean. It's decent size, 50ml. It's 70+% organic, 100% clean. Formulated with marula, shea butter and ginkgo biloba to soothe and moisturize. Like, Bilbao is a place in Spain, isn't it? A subtle sun-kissed glow develops over 4 to 8 hours and can be maintained or deepened with regular use. This conditioning and hydrating body lotion blends nourishing, natural and organic extracts with a touch of tanning, with odor remove technology for zero smell and a moisture locking system for 72-hour hydration. Ooh. It's formulated without parabens, harsh chemicals, perfume, fragrance, alcohol, animal derivatives, petrochemicals, sulfates, silicones. It does feel very silky and moisturising, so that's nice. Under my neck as well is an area that could really do with getting up to this kind of level colour. Yeah, so I'm going to give this a go and I'll give you some feedback. Next up we have this from Christopher Robin, and they make hair stuff. Well, he makes hair stuff, and he makes cleansing volumizing paste with pure Rasul clay and rose extract. This 85% of natural origin formula brings immediate volume and thickness to fine hair without weighing it down. There's no parabens, no silicones, no SLS and no colorant. Ooh, look at that. It's like murkiness. But it smells delicious. If you don't like rose, you won't like this. But imagine it's going to go on your hair, not your face, but still, it smells lovely. This is definitely going to go to my mum because she has quite fine hair and she's always looking for things to give her more body. So I'm sure she will love this. Say thank you, mummy. It transforms into a light foam apparently for instant volume at the roots. Use once or twice a week. And it says use a tablespoon worth of product more or less depending on the length of your hair. And let it sit for 2 minutes before you rinse. And this is a 40ml sample and full size is 250ml. Oh, a little bonus tip about this. Do you have coloured hair? You could apply this as a hair mask, leaving on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing to protect and preserve your hair colour. There we go. Okay, next up we have this, which I've had before, but this is good timing, to be honest. It's Elemis Superfood Facial Wash, Prebiotic Gel Cleanser, Advanced Skincare. This gentle facial wash revives and refreshes whilst deeply cleansing the skin. Nutrient-dense superfoods have been chosen to enhance the natural radiance for an outdoor fresh glow. Defined by nature, led by science. So this is handy for me because I've literally just finished my current face wash. Bit more info. Avocado, broccoli and pumpkin seed oils are combined with natural prebiotic to help balance the skin's precious microbiome. Wheatgrass, kale and nettle are combined to leave the complexion looking luminous, bright and radiant. Beauty box tips, we also like to use it as a makeup remover. It works wonders as well. Right, what's next? What's next? Let's go with this from Studio 10. Had a few things from Studio 10 now. And what is it? I don't know. It's a liquid foil eye radiance. A crease-resistant eyeshadow is hard to find, especially one that hydrates and blends seamlessly on your lid. So you'll foil in love with this long-lasting silky mousse metallic eyeshadow. This amazing shadow can also be layered for extra pop and radiance that gives you the perfect party eyes. Apply to lower and upper eyelid, blending with a brush or your fingertip. Try using as a radiant primer under your favourite eyeshadow for a long-lasting colour. Oh, okay, interesting. So it's a normal doe foot applicator. It's not opaque, it's more of a like a lip topper type consistency. But I suppose you could layer it up. Can you? You might have to wait for it to dry. This is one of those things where you keep dipping your brush in and then you look at it and then you dip your brush in and you look at it and it's exactly the same amount of product. It's like not picking up extra. Oh well. Trying to avoid getting any eyeliner in it. See, I've got a shimmery eye. I kind of see what they mean as an under primer now because I thought this was going to be a lot more opaque, but it's not. Better put some on the other eye now, hadn't I? But I can see how you could just put this over the top of something as a little topper just to give it some extra sparkle. I know that's not blended, so apologise. And I shouldn't have put it so high up because it's going to get in my crease and then when I blink my eye it's going to spread, but there we go. Let's put some in there. And I don't like the way it comes out of the bottle. However, you know, I can see it, it's a nice shine. We'll see how it dries down as the video goes on, but it's kind of like that loose glitter effect, you know, so it's not intense in a spot, which is what I'm not so keen on because you can't get it to the consistency you want, maybe. I don't know. I'm probably being really harsh. For what this is, it's just like a shiny topper that you can pop on, and is that terrible? No. However, I don't know where it... However, as I want to do, I tried to find out a bit more information about this and I cannot find anywhere. The only thing I can find out is links back to Look Fantastic June box. Can't find it on the Studio 10 website, can't find it on Look Fantastic website. So I'm guesstimating the price based on, I think that this is a full-size product, and looking at the other things like their lip glosses, lipstick things at like £22. So I'm going to guess this is going to be about £20 as well. There we go. Right, what have we got next? Let's do this. Very excited about this. I love rituals so much. I first got Rituals in a beauty box last year, and then over Christmas we got the Rituals advent calendar, and it was so good. We are still using the products now. Love it. And this is the Ritual of Deo, bringing peace and tranquility into your life. Be kind to your skin body cream in organic white lotus and Yi Ren. It's a nice thick cream. Oh, it smells so good. I don't think there's a scent from them that I don't like. Oh, got it everywhere now. So it's combining the gentle fragrance of white lotus with Yi Ren, an ingredient traditionally used in Chinese medicine. This rich and creamy moisturiser nourishes your skin and leaves it silky soft to touch. Apply in circular motions daily. During the summer months, your skin can dry out in the sun. Be sure to apply regularly to keep your skin moisturised and supple. And it smells so good. So I'm very happy to have that. Right, what have we got? This. Never heard of them. Madara Organic Skincare. SOS Instant Moisture and Radiance Hydra Mask. Scientifically proven to rehydrate skin. Anyone ever heard of this brand? No? Don't know why I'm asking you is if you can reply to me right now. Oh dear. It says it's a velvety wipe off or leave on treatment. Oh, I like that. To deliver instant and long lasting hydration. Used twice weekly or whenever skin feels thirsty, dehydrated and stressed. Suitable for all skin types. 40% of the total ingredients are from organic farming. It's vegan, natural, organic certified, free from parabens, petrochemicals, synthetic fragrances and colours. And you leave it on 15 minutes. Hydrate and rejuvenate your skin with this moisturising organic mask from Madara. Madara? This vegan-friendly formula has a divine, soft and powdery scent which is sure to leave your skin looking smooth, toned and youthful. Pamper and quench your skin's thirst with this mini treat. Apply a thin layer before going to bed, allow it to soak in, then sleep in the mask to wake up a perfectly hydrated skin. Oh, look at the tiny bottle. Look at the box and the tiny bottle. Why? Why do they do that? Just make it the same size, you know? Make it the size of this. You're not tricking anyone because I'm going to open it and I'm going to find out it's tiny. Okay, so that is all of the items in my book for this month. That is my 6 items. However, I have a 7th item. This. I don't know why I have it. I don't know if everyone's got it. I'll have to watch some other videos and find out. But it's from Real Chemistry for a supple, luminous glow. Environmental Rescue Essential Day Cream. It's a 10 ml sample. It says use daily after the serum for best results. It's made in China, but it's 100% cruelty-free, paraben and sulfate-free. MSRP? Do we know what that means? But look at this. For a sample, it's got a little... Oh, dropped it. It's got a little thing. So you can like use a bit and then screw the lid back on instead of having open things that get lost or things get squeezed out all over the floor like mine do. So this is very cool for a sample. I'm really impressed with this. Well done, Real Chemistry. Never heard of you, but I like the sound of you already. So they are an American company and it says it's feather light and absorbed instantly. This greaseless moisture formula provides 12-hour hydration. Your skin will look its healthy best and feel touchably soft all day. Providing an invisible armour, the Environmental Rescue Essential Day Cream's antioxidant protection gives your skin what it needs to help fight the invisible effects of environmental skin damage. Skin is instantly fresh, smooth, hydrated and makeup ready. It's just quite a light cream. Doesn't really smell of anything. I am always happy to have a bonus product and I love this little lid. Oh, got my legs up, but now I've got a dead leg from sitting like that. Real Chemistry is a carefully researched, precisely engineered, science-driven skincare brand which seeks to raise customer expectations in terms of the results they can achieve from cosmeceuticals. Real Chemistry is changing the conversation in skincare, introducing customers to organic, recombinant, DNA-based ingredients carefully blended to ensure precise outcomes and outstanding results, whilst insisting on maximising value for the customer. And they sell on look fantastic. Let's look at this. Is it dry? It's dry. And oh, it does move a bit, but I'm having to rub quite hard to get it to dissipate. So hopefully that means on my eyes it will stay there where I want it to be, kind of. Sorry for my dodgy eyeliner. I always think I can get away with it when I've got eyelashes on and I'm sitting farther back, but then I realise sometimes I'm going to have to show you my eyes. So at least once it's dry, it's not going to transfer anymore. It just comes off a little bit on my finger, but I think that would be okay for a topper. So the grand total is I've actually got a drum box in front of me. If I could do it properly, I could do a drum roll. My husband would be despairing right now because he can actually play. I can't play. Anyway, the grand total is £46.25 plus an extra £6 if we're to believe what's on the back of the packet there. So my box is worth £52.25. I'll be so interested to know if other people have got an extra item. Either way though, that is an awesome box, isn't it? The box value is 3 times the cost of the box, which is awesome, plus a bonus item, and I'm very happy. I love it when the price is right, well, the value's right. I love it when I get what I want. Now, looking at these products, is everything okay? This, I'm not sure how much I'm going to use it, but I think it's quite nice, and it's an easy way to add a touch of glitter if you just wanted to add something on. This is probably easier for me than actually putting on normal glitter or sticking glitter on with glue. So actually, this might be a handy thing for my toolkit. Yeah, thinking about it, that might be better than I thought. This I love. This my mum will love. Can't beat day moisturiser. Love a mask. And I needed this, so everything is great. Everything is going to get used. Not unhappy with anything. I suppose the only thing for some people getting this box, they'd be like, hello, where's the makeup? Because there is only one there is only one makeup item. It is very skincare heavy. So if you're not really into skincare or you've got enough to be going on with, this is probably not the box for you. But otherwise, for me, it's a great box. I'm perfectly happy with it, and I can't wait to get reading my magazine. So let me know down below what you think of this month's box, what your favourite products are. Is there anything that you wouldn't like to receive if you're going to get one yourself? Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was interesting and helpful to you to find out about June's Look Fantastic box. And until you see me next time, I hope you take care of yourselves and live every moment well. Bye guys.